Welcome to the pre-market report of 9/6/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,388. Top CPR is in 16,404 and bottom CPR is in 16,372. Today we don't need to talk about R1, R2, R3 because Nifty future already showing more than 80 points gap down. So let us directly go to the support one. Support 1 placed in 16,261 and S2 placed in 16,167 and S3 placed in 16,041. The center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 35,076 and top CPR is in 35,141, bottom CPR is in 35,011. Here also we don't need to talk about R1, R2, R3 because Nifty future already showing more than 80 points gap down. S1 placed in 34,702 and S2 placed in 34,458 and S3 placed in 34,084. Let us check the global market first. Yesterday all the US market closes firmly in red, especially S&P 500 was down by 1.08%. It indicates our market going to be trend towards down direction today. Yesterday, most of the European market was also closed firmly in red, except two Russian index MIX and RTSI. Most of the market closes in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction today. Right now, most of the Asian market is trading in red, except Japanese index Nikkei and IDX composite. All the market is trading in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction today. Right now all the US future and European future is also trading in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction today. Right now Nifty future trading around 16,283. Our previous day close was 16,356. Indeed, it indicates more than 60 points gap down. SGS Nifty also indicating the same. SGS Nifty also trading around 16,286. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 2,484 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 1,904 crores. So the overall institutional activity in sell side, it is also creating slight negative to our market. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now 16,400 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,25,878 contract in open condition. So it going to be act as a good resistance. As well as 16,000 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,27,128 contract in open condition. So it going to be act as a good support. The option writers believe market going to be expire between 16,400 to 16,000. So kindly plan accordingly. Yesterday we can see so much of put option unwinded from 16,400, 16,500 and 16,600. It indicates our market going to be trend towards down direction. As well as some option writers write 16,200 put option also. So they believe market would not broke 16,200, but yesterday the US market was closes firmly in negative. So it going to be changed today. Let us wait and watch how the option writers going to change the position. I hope market will not broke 16,000 in downside as well as 16,400 in upside. The overall view is yesterday US market was closes in negative. European market was also closes in negative. Right now all the Asian market trading in mixed condition. Right now US future is in negative. European future is also in negative. Nifty future indicating gap down opening more than 60 points. FA is in sell side, DA in buy side. As per writer's view, market would break 16,400 in upside as well as 16,000 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white as well as R1, R2, R3 in green. Previous day high in dotted green as well as S1, S2, S3 in red. Previous day low in dotted red. Right now Nifty future indicating market going to open somewhere around 16,281. This is just about to S1. I hope market going to open somewhere around 16,281. So don't take any position initially. Just wait market to broke previous day low as well as S1 in firm red candle. Whenever market breaks previous day low and S1 with firm red candle, you can enter at this candle close. Keep the stop loss just above the previous day low. Book your profit at S2 or you can trial up to S3. I hope market going to be trend towards down direction today. If market opens somewhere around 16,283, don't take any position initially. Just wait market to break S1 and previous day low with frame red candle. Whenever market breaks S1 and previous day low, you can enter at this candle close. Keep the stop loss just above the previous day low. Book your profit at S2 or you can trial up to S3. This is our final conclusion.